I'm Jason, and I'm gonna show you how to make. So I'm gonna first start with this. So you first start with this. It shows at the bottom. Then you take one of these. So doesn't this look like that? You stick it up right here at the pointy part, and then put it just like this. Let's put it right there. This one right here. And it shows you're supposed to put one of these with the helicopter sticker right there. You just stick it, I think, right about, yep, right here. So there's like this. I'm gotta get this because I don't have. Okay, so it's right there. This gold piece. The pointy end facing this way, right, like that. And so you just do it. Put it on, like just like that. So I'm putting the wheels on like it shows. It's not that hard to put the. About here. Most important part is the wings. Actually, the wings can go on the bottom. You can actually put the wings on the bottom if you prefer them to be loading. It's easier to shoot. So, I'm loading the guns. Get ready to fire. And this part is just to catch the dinosaur right over here, and it's. If you want to like make the teeth open and close like this, you go like this. You pull it. You pull the tail, pull it, and it's pretty cool.